Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajax G here with another video. So I want to say thank you to those who are subscribed and welcome to those who are here for the first time. This is a variety channel, so I do unboxings, tech reviews, game reviews, and game news. So for you, I have an unboxing of these speakers. These speakers are called Pebble. The brand of these speakers are called Creative. I got these from Amazon for about $25, and these things sound amazing. So they actually have these in another color. The other color is white, so you can get white with the bronze speaker grill, or you can get black, as you see here, that I have with the bronze speaker grill as well. So I was struggling to try to get this box open. I guess box cutters is not for me, and this is adult proof. But yeah, so these are powered by USB 2.0. I don't think you would need to have a USB 3.0 for some speakers. I don't know, but it is. This is not Bluetooth. They do have an aux cord. This is how it looks when you first open the box. This is really nice. I like that it has this little diagram. I don't know, it just doesn't feel cheap, because I was like, if I'm paying something for $25, usually the box is a little cheap and no one cares about that, right? So that little box has like the instructions for you guys to know how to use the stuff. And I'm going to take out the speakers now so we can see how they look. So these are the speakers. I like the fact that they were bubble wrapped on top of being in the box, because the way packages get shipped nowadays, they just get thrown around, and I didn't want them to be damaged. So like I told you guys before, it is powered by USB. So that is the USB cable, and this is the aux cord. So I did test it out. Also, you can plug the USB into like a power brick and plug it into the wall, and you're not going to have any issues. So these speakers are at a 45-degree angle. So you see how it kind of has that curve. On the back of the speakers, sorry, I'm struggling here. On the back of the speakers, it has like a little subwoofer built in, and it's really nice. It gives it that nice, rich bass for some $25 speakers. Like literally, you cannot go wrong. And they're not huge, so they kind of push in. I'm sorry, I'm one of those people. But yeah, so this is how they look. So I'm going to show you how they look on my desk, and then I'm going to give you a sound test. All right, so these are how they look on the desk. They do not take up that much real estate, which I really love. They're probably 2 to 3 inches max. So this is how they look on the desk, and I'm going to get into the sound test for you guys right now. Alright guys, so that was the sound test. So you can make the decision for yourself. Again, these are powered by USB 2.0, and it has an aux cord. This is $25. It does come in 2 colors, white and black. It is on Amazon. If you have a monitor and you like to play this on your monitor for your gaming, this sounds amazing. I want to say thank you to those who watched it all the way to the end. If you're still here, please hit that subscribe button. I am on my way to 200 subscribers. Ajax out.